Well, T1 Group 10, I'll introduce to you the Planning Tool usability test. This is our content. Firstly, the subject we choose is IKEA Planning Tool. We collected all testing results from 5 tasks conducted by 5 participants in the lab and 10 more in the field respectively to evaluate the usability of IKEA Planning Tool, aiming at strengthening customer satisfaction. We have 5 tasks focusing on 5 most commonly used functions related to designing, including how to design a single product and a series of products based on the same scenario, how to manage shopping lists, and have a test of IKEA special service, one-on-one kitchen planning appointment.
During our test, according to our observation of users' reaction and analyzing qualitative data and quantitative data collected through questionnaires and recordings, our group has spotted 10 findings and categorized them into 4 areas. The top findings lie in the category of consistency and standards. There has been multiple terminologies for a single function, which confuses the user. Here in this clip, the participant is performing the task of adding the items into shopping list. She is obviously hesitant on moving the items from shopping bag to shopping list because the wish list here is actually referring to the same thing as shopping list. So even her eye glanced through the wish list, she does not know there is a correct button to click. Same problems also occur in other tasks. The terminology for the project code is also called combination in some circumstances. Next issue also lie in the category of consistency and standards, which is ambiguous terminology and interface. In the clip playing next, the participant has clearly stated the confusion of price being different because the system automatically adds extra items on the combination user chooses.
If I click this, it's $183.
It's actually under 200. It's fine.
Why it is over 300? It's directly over my budget.
Overall, we think the website should improve its consistency and standards, especially unify the names for identical functions. For example, integrate wish list and shopping list as one list, and keep the content more understandable. Next issue is in the category of flexibility and efficiency of use. In this video, the participant described the process to be tedious because the items did not be added by batch, and it is time-consuming to add the product into the list one by one. And there also lack flexibility in the following situation, where a participant does not know how to edit and rename the shopping list.
Okay, I don't know how to add the design chain I did earlier into this one, into the list that I created. Yeah, so turn off talking with
So we suggest the website to increase the flexibility for users' operation by adding a bench editing function. The third area of concern is navigation and layout. The function of planning tool does not appear in the navigation bar at the top. During the test, the participant is often confused about where the entries of the planning is. For example, in this video, the participant is asked to design a dining chair. She made mistakes like most participants did, by selecting products button in the navigation bar instead of entering by choosing from the planning tool to design. Therefore, our group suggested to move the planning tool function to the top of the page as a main function. Thus, more users are able to discover this function easily. Last issue is in the category of mental model. IKEA does not follow most users' mental models sometimes. The first clip shows the designing page, misleading users to click without anything happening.
Well, I need to design my own sofa. Why is no, it doesn't work. Yeah, it's here. Yeah.
The next clip shows there being inappropriate forms of text presentation, just like this video suggests. The participant thought the text bar can be added, but it was just a notification text.
So the task requires me to save the wash basin to the list from my dining chair. Wow, here is a text box. So is it editable? So can I type something here? Oh, it doesn't work. Wow.
Therefore, IKEA should considering more in perspective of the user when designing. We suggest to make pictures and title a functional entrance for turning pages. Despite all the defects mentioned above, overall, the website is friendly for using, and there are positive feedbacks given by participants. They thought highly of quality of the product presentation and thought the designing function is creative. There is believed to be more space for improvements, and if the website could adopt the recommendations mentioned above, the user's experience would also be improved. And this is our reference list. Thank you for watching.